in the back of the black truck. I told him to take this week, but I take home a chair. This is supposed to be outside.
Mm-hmm.
We never got around to it. Yeah. I wonder why the realtor hasn't called us about the attorney in the bank. We've been begging for days so that we can move. They want it in here on Thanksgiving. She ain't waiting.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody actually wants the house just like I do. You know, they wanted it bad enough that she asked them to raise her interest rates to cover her closing costs.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody asks the bank that. They try to get the lowest amount possible. But to get a couple $1,000 more. Because we couldn't come up with it. We had already spent a couple $1,000.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm losing. Just to pay off Harold's loan.
That sucks.
He won't even offer to pay one bit. So I'm paying for the Nissan,